Hello traders, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into a cornerstone of trading, support and resistance. If you're a beginner, you know that identifying these levels can be a real headache. Highs, lows, reversals. It's easy to get lost. But today we're going to simplify everything. We'll look at how the Chikou Span from the Ichimoku indicator can help us identify significant support and resistance levels, especially around open-close levels. Let's get started. What are support and resistance? Before diving into the method, let's do a quick recap. Support. This is a price level where the price is expected to bounce and move upward. Think of it as a floor. Resistance. This is a price level where the price is expected to stall and move downward. Think of it as a ceiling. These levels are crucial because they give us clues about potential buying and selling zones. The challenge of finding support and resistance. The problem is, especially for beginners, there are an infinite number of highs and lows. You end up asking yourself which ones really matter, and how can you predict when a support will become resistance and vice versa? This is where our method comes into play. Introduction to Ichimoku and the Chikou Span. The Ichimoku indicator is a powerful and comprehensive tool, but today we're focusing only on the Chikou Span. The Chikou Span is this lagging line. It represents the closing price of the past, but from 26 periods ago. And this is where it gets interesting. How to use the Chikou Span for support and resistance. The magic lies in the points where the Chikou Span interacts with past prices, particularly open and closed levels, as these points often become support and resistance levels when the price revisits them. In simple terms, you look at where the Chikou Span interacted with the price 26 periods ago, and project those levels onto the current chart. For example, here the Chikou Span touched the price at this zone. We draw a line, and boom. When the price returned to this level, it reacted. These zones are often quite reliable. By following them, you'll find it easier to identify support and resistance levels. Advantages of the method. So what are the advantages of this method? Simplicity, no need to overcomplicate things with highs and lows. Speed. Quickly identify relevant levels. Clarity. The Chikou Span gives us a clear and objective reading. Conclusion. So are you ready to test this method? Feel free to try it out and share your results in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss upcoming videos. See you soon for more trading strategies.